apologize, certainly entirely. It's too late. To get to you.
A special straight talk.
Straight and narrow. The partners.
Robbery expert.
Hello everyone, it's Cineselect. So get your popcorn and let's get right into it. In this video, we will count down the top 10 best action thriller hidden gems just added to Apple TV Plus in 2026. While everyone is talking about the big blockbusters, these under-the-radar films and high-octane originals are the true reasons to keep your subscription. From gritty spy missions to pulse-pounding survival stories, let's examine which hidden gems are worth your time. Now let's start the video. But first, smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. And we are guys only 904 subscriber, far away to reach 1k subscriber. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's dive in. Number 10, The Lost Bus. It is a high-stakes survival thriller directed by Paul Greengrass, based on a true story from the devastating 2018 California wildfires. The film follows a bus driver and a teacher who risk everything to lead a busload of children through a literal wall of fire. The narrative captures the claustrophobic, heart-pounding perspective of being trapped in a vehicle while the world burns around you. It is a lean, intense, and emotionally charged thriller that highlights human bravery in the face of an unstoppable natural disaster. Number 9. Highest to Lowest. It is a gritty modern-day crime thriller directed by Spike Lee and starring the legendary Denzel Washington. Set in a high-stakes world of corporate espionage and family legacy, the story follows a man forced to protect his empire when a massive fortune is suddenly on the line. The film uses a sharp, fast-paced perspective to show how easily power can corrupt and how quickly everything can fall apart. With Denzel's powerhouse performance and Spike Lee's signature visual style, it is a brilliant addition to our Apple thriller library that many missed during its initial buzz. It is a psychological action thriller starring Juliana Moody and Sydney Sweeney. The story follows Kat, a woman mourning a personal tragedy who spends her days training horses on a secured farm until her daughter arrives covered in someone else's blood. The film explores the desperate perspective of a mother who will go to any length, including breaking the law, to protect her child. It is a slow-burn thriller that explodes into high-stake action, keeping the audience guessing about the truth until the very last frame. Number 7, The Gorge. It is a high-concept sci-fi action thriller starring Miles Teller and Anya Taylor-Joy. The plot centers on two elite snipers stationed on as they begin to communicate and form a bond. They realize they are not just guarding a border, they are keeping something ancient and terrifying from getting out. The film blends intense tactical action with a deep, unsettling mystery, creating a unique hidden gem that pushes the boundaries of the genre. Number 6, F1. It is a high-octane sport thriller starring Brad Pitt and Damson Idris. While it focuses on the world of Formula One racing, the film is structured like an intense action thriller, using groundbreaking camera technology to put the audience directly in the driver's seat. The perspective follows a veteran driver coming out of retirement to mentor a young prodigy, only to find themselves caught in a web of corporate sabotage and dangerous rivalries. It is visceral, adrenaline-fueled experience that feels as much like a heist movie as it does a racing drama. Number 5, Wolf. It is a sleek, stylish action comedy thriller starring the iconic duo of George Clooney and Brad Pitt. They play two professional fixers who are both hired for the same job, forcing these two lone wolves to work together to clean up a high-profile crime scene. The film captured the witty, fast-taking perspective of two experts who realize they might be the ones being set up. With its sharp dialogue and clever action sequences, it is a perfect hidden gem for fans of classic hit thriller like Ocean's 11. Number 4. The Instigators. It is a gritty hit thriller starring Matt Damon and Casey Affleck. The story follows a desperate father and ex-con who team up for a robbery that goes spectacularly wrong. Pursued by the police, corrupt perpetrators, and vengeful crime bosses, they find themselves in a chaotic race across Boston. The film offers a grounded, often humorous perspective on a failed heist, focusing on the chemistry between the two leads and the relentless pace of their escape. It is a high-energy thriller that delivers both laughs and tension in equal measure. Number 3. Sharper. It is a twist-filled psychological thriller starring Juliana Moore and Sebastian Stan. Set in the world of Manhattan's ultra-wealthy, the story is told through the perspective of various characters involved in a massive, multi-layered con. Nothing is as it seems, as the film consistently pulls the rug out from under the audience with shockingly brutish and high-stake manipulation. It is a hidden gem that rewards attentive viewers, offering a sophisticated and cold-blooded look at the art of the steal. Number 2. Greyhound. It is a relentless World War II action thriller written by and starring Tom Hanks. The story follows a US Navy commander who must lead an Allied convoy across the Black Pit, the mid-Atlantic area where they have no air cover and are hunted by a whole pack of Nazi U-boats. The film is told from the tense, sleepless perspective of the bridge, emphasizing the tactical maneuvers and the psychological weight of command. It is a lean, 90-minute blast of pure adrenaline that remains one of the best action films on the platform. Number 1. Killers of the Flower Moon. It is a masterpiece of historical crime and action thriller directed by Martin Scorsese, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Robert De Niro, and Lily Gladstone. It tells the chilling true story of the Osage Nation murders in 1920s Oklahoma. While an epic, the film functions as a deeply unsettling thriller, following the perspective of the FBI's first major undercover investigation. It is a haunting, visually stunning, and powerful look at greed and betrayal that has cemented its place as one of the greatest thrillers of the decade.